Televidente, felice noche. Rusia está preparando un posible ataque cibernetico contra di Merka. Asina presidente merikano Joe Biden está alerta. Esta papia di un'amenaza contra di infrastruktura cybernetiko merikano.
Look, today my administration has issued new warnings that based on evolving intelligence, Russia may be planning a cyber attack against us. As I said, the magnitude of Russia's cyber capacity is fairly consequential, and it's coming. The federal government is doing its part to get ready, but under U.S. law, as you all remember, the private sector, all of you, largely decides the protections that you will or will not take in order to protect your sources. But let me be absolutely clear about something. It's not just in your interest that are at stake with the potential use of cybersecurity. It is the national interest at stake. And I would respectfully suggest it's a patriotic obligation for you to invest as much as you can in making sure, and we will help in any way, that you have built up your technological capacity to deal with cyber attacks. First, to protect your own companies.
Tintur elemento presente para un solushon diplomaitko na guera entre Rusia e Ukrania. Esa aqui, segundo o secretario general de Nashonan António Guterres. Segundo Guterres, a guerra aqui está enganável e uma solução militar irrazonável.
Paying a heavy price as a result of this war. At the same time, we cannot lose hope. From my outreach with various actors, elements of diplomatic progress are coming into view on several key issues. There is enough on the table to cease hostilities now and seriously negotiate now. This war is unwinnable. Sooner or later it will have to move from the battlefield to the peace table, and that is inevitable. The only question is how many more lives must be lost? How many more bombs must fall? How many Mariupols must be destroyed? How many more Ukrainians and Russians will be killed before everyone realizes that this war has no winners, only losers? How many more people will have to die in Ukraine? And how many people around the world will have to face hunger for this to stop? Continuing the war in Ukraine is morally unacceptable, politically indefensible, and militarily nonsensical. What I said from this podium almost 1 month ago should be even more evident today. By any measure, by even the shrewdest calculation, it is time to stop the fighting now and give peace a chance. It is time to end this absurd war. Thank you.
El conflicto aquí producía más de 10 millones de refugiados. Así la Organización Mundial para Refugiados está informada. Más de 10 millones de ciudadanos de Ucrania han abandonado en casa en las últimas 4 semanas debido a la guerra que están andando. Más o menos 3.5 millones han abandonado en el país completamente buscando refugio en el país tan vecino. Gran mayoría de refugiados aquí están en Polonia. 90% de la gente menor de edad. La guerra entre Ucrania y Rusia crea una crisis de refugiados de más grande de Europa después de la Guerra Mundial II.
It's strange. It's just strange. When I go sleep, I don't know if I wake up or no. Just like this. Right now, my mom is my little brother with me, but my elder brother with my grandma stay in Ichnya. Because my brother can't go abroad and he sit with my grandma.
It's really terrible to live there because every day and every night you hear these sounds like the bombs falling down.
Marcozany, Willems, passe uma feliz noite.